Hello, honorable viewers. Thank you so much as you are watching my video or enjoying my videos day after day. And today I'm here with two little black birds. Why? It's a matter of so that study there was a missing letter from the word. This is C. Study C letter was missing there. So I'm sorry. Again, I'm here with two little blackbirds. Okay, let's recite the rhyme again. Okay, the name of the rhyme is two little blackbirds. Two little blackbirds. Two little blackbirds sitting on a wall. One called Peter, one called Paul. Fly, fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Goodbye, Peter. Goodbye, Paul. Like this. We have to try our best to give the emphasis on the sound of the poem, the rhythmical sound. The poem should be, the rhyme should be recited rhythmically. There must have a rhythmical sound. But if we don't have the rhythmical sound, the rhyme, while reciting that, then I think that there is something missing. And very important thing is missing here there. Because without rhythm, rhythmical sound, a rhyme is not clear, and a rhyme is not